Now children, today let's start with chapter number 7, more on MS Paint. In this chapter, I will tell you about the Microsoft Paint. So let's start with the chapter now. Now, what the children are saying, dear teacher, you have learned about some basic painting tool in MS Word. To what the teacher is saying, yes student, now we will learn about some basic uh, or advanced tool like color picker tool, selection tool. So now you know paint is a program that is used to draw and paint on the computer. So opening a paint program. So for that you will click on start button, move the pointer towards all programs or programs, right? Then move the pointer towards accessories, then you will click on paint. Like this, the paint window will appear. So what are the parts of paint window? We have title bar, blue bar at the top of the screen is known as title bar. ये आपके programs name and file को display करती है, right? Then we have quick access toolbar. It contains button to do common task. Paint button, जिससे आपके different option है to work in paint. Ribbon, it consists of 3 parts. इसमें tab है, group है और आपके commands है. Tab में आपके different tools arrange है. Group is a set of related commands. Drawing area, this is a drawing area where you can draw. Now you know how to make a simple drawing in paint using command home tab on the div. So what is home tab? This is a tool group, this is shape group and this is your color group. You know how to use line, rectangle, oval and fill color. You can also know about the commands in tools, shapes and color. So we can say first is pencil, used for drawing and writing anything with freehand movement. Eraser, used for erasing any part of the picture. Magnifier, used to see a drawing in large size. Brush, which contain different kinds of brushes and you can draw freehand the move. Now we have curve shape. Now you want to draw a curve line. So for that, this shape is used to make curve lines. You can draw curve lines by following steps. Click on the curve shape. Now drag the mouse. Now click on the line and drag to make a curve. आप click करोगे, उसको drag करोगे, जिससे आप क्या बना सकते हैं, curve बना सकते. Now fill with color. Now we have made this drawing and you have to fill the color. So we will use the option of fill with color and place the mouse pointer on the red color. Fill with color tool will be selected and bring the mouse pointer to the boat base. और आप यहाँ पे जैसे क्लिक करोगे यहाँ पे red color होके. Now selecting foreground color. So for click color 1 button, now click the red color in the color group which you want as a foreground. Now select the fill with color tool and fill the boat with color. Now selecting background, click color 2 and then click on the yellow color and the color group to be select is the background color. Now select fill with color tool and right click on the background part of the screen. और जो आपका फर्स्ट वर्जन है विंडो पेंट का वो डैन मैकाबी ने क्या करा था, प्रोग्राम था. नाउ यूजिंग इरेजर टू, नाउ फॉर इरेजर इज यूज्ड फॉर इरेजिंग. देखो हम वैसे भी इरेजर का यूज करते हैं ना कुछ भी चीज को इरेज करने के लिए. So it is possible to erase the whole or a part of drawing. To erase the whole or a part of a drawing, follow the given steps. First is click eraser in the tool ribbon, move and drag the eraser on the other part of the drawing. Now saving the work in paint. Now we have made this drawing and we want it to be saved for the future. So what you will do? To save a file, you will follow the 5 steps. First of all, click on the file menu. Click on save and save as option. Window will open. Type the name of the file in the file name box. Then click on save button and the file will be saved. और आपकी जो फाइल है वो क्या होगी, सेव हो जाएगी. Now you want to open it. आप देखना चाहते हैं कैसे आपने ड्रॉ करी है. So you will click on file menu. Click on open option. एक open dialog box appear होगा. Click the file you want to open and click the open button. Now closing button. When you have completed the work, close the paint program. So then you have to click on file menu, click on exit option and your file will be exit from there, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.